Hanap mo ba ay isang lugar na pwede mong tawaging second home away from home? Meron akong isang highly recommended na isang beach resort na tiyak na magugustuhan nyo. Ito ang Greg and Tess Rocker Beach Resort, located sa Zone 4, Bagulataw, Minalabak, Camarines Sur. Ang location ng resort na ito ay talagang bagong-bago pa dahil ito ay kakabukas pa lamang ngayong taon. Pribadong beach na may malinis at malawak na dalampasigan. Ang resort na ito ay may mga komportabling kwarto na may malaking bintana, eleganteng interior design, at magandang balcony na pwedeng mong magamit para sa inyong morning coffee at sunset viewing. Perfect ito sa gustong maka-experience ng tahimik at stress-free na lugar. Pwedeng magbakasyon dito, kasama ang buong pamilya, kaibigan, at syempre, ang inyong mga loved ones. Pwedeng-pwede dito ang family reunion, birthday, at iba pang mahahalagang okasyon. Dun sa may mga balak magpakasal, pwede itong gawing prenup location na siguradong magugustuhan nyo ang modern wooden elegant design ng bahay. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Visit Greg and Tess Rocker Beach Resort, located at Zone 4, Bagulataw, Minalabak, Camarines Sur.
Tara na sa paraiso! Hi! Ako po si Maria Teresita Rocker. We warmly invite you to Tess and Greg Rocker Beach Resort, your next favorite skip where crystal clear waters pebbles, white sands, and breathtaking sunsets await you. Expect cozy accommodations, fresh seafoods, beach bonfires, island vibes, and unforgettable memories. Mag-relax, mag-enjoy, at mag-reconnect with natures and loved ones in a place where peace meets paradise. Whether you're planning a family getaway, barkada trip, romantic date, or team outing, we got the perfect spots just for you. Book now and experience the beauty that everyone's talking about. Your happy place by the shore.